sa Bulacan. At worry-free din na corn ang ating party girls doon para sa kanilang silky smooth hair kahit mainit ang sikat ng summer sun.
Oo, kaya nga, para laging happy at laging protected this summer, eto may tips sa atin sila, Drew and Monica. Go, guys!
When you went out, you girl, it was all messed up. But now I'm sitting here thinking that I've had enough.
Cheer!
Gotta know, didn't expect this is how things would go. Maybe in time, you change your mind. I'm looking back, I wish I could rewind.
Alright, good morning once again mga kabuso. Thank you so much K24-7 for that unbelievably beautiful music. Early this morning, of course, nagbabalik kami ni Monica dito sa Jed's Island Resort dito po sa Kalumpit, Bulacan. That could be one of your summer getaways, right?
Yes, dahil napakalapit naman ito mga kapuso. 45 to 1 hour away lang ito from Manila. 70 kilometers lang. Ang dadaanan nyo lang NLEX, Pulilan Exit.
Yes.
Ayan, alam na natin kung saan. At nandito na kayo sa Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Alright. Now, of course, pagdating nyo dito, ang dami talagang pwedeng puntahan. Siyempre, ang Jed's Island Resort, ang strength talaga nila ay marami silang wave pools.
Yes, itong wave pool, it's talaga sa mga pinagmamalaki nitong Jed's Island Resort na kaya mag-create ng 12 waves at a time.
That's right.
Diba? Napakalaki. At malaki to with 1,000 square meters ang sukat nito.
That's
na
right.
Kaya mag-accommodate ng 300 na katawan.
Parang katulad nito. Ang dami natin kasama dito nagpa-party.
Party!
Anyway, of course, kanina teaser namin sa inyo na magbibigay kami ng tips dahil meron tayong kasamang dermatologist si Dr. Jean Marquez. Doc?
Yes, good morning, Doc!
Of course, Doc, welcome back to Unang Hirit.
Good morning, Drew. Good morning, Monica. Good morning sa ating mga kapuso.
Well, for this morning, si Doc ay magiging chef dahil meron tayong mga ingredients. Bakit meron tayong itlog, meron tayong mayonnaise, meron tayong olive oil, at meron tayong
Gugo.
gugo?
Yes.
Why?
Actually, tuturuan natin sila kung paano magkakaroon sila ng natural hair treatment.
Natural hair treatment. Kasi alam nga natin ngayon na ang hair
Kapag
treatment...
summer, talagang medyo mahal ang hair treatment. At summer nga, talagang buhok ang medyo nasisira.
Yan. Okay. Dito nilang maiksi yung buhok ko.
Kasi
Kaya okay
ako
lang.
may hatak
Yeah.
ngayon.
Kasi di ba ngayon, yung ultraviolet rays can actually damage yung tinatawag na cuticle and cortex na ating hair. Yung cuticle will give the protective covering, while the cortex is actually the one that gives strength to the hair. So lahat ito nadadamage, giving the hair dull, making the hair
Yes.
dull, dry, brittle, and then nagbe-bleach din yung hair.
Oh, at dahil dito sa matinding init ng araw, Doc.
Yes.
Now, how can we take care of our
Crown and
hair?
glory.
Yes. Actually, recommended pa rin natin, of course, professional care, hot oil treatments by the professionals. Pero kung kapos sila sa budget, no, there are alternative ways and cheaper ways.
Yes.
No?
Okay.
Etong actually itong mga to, these are actually good for hair care. No?
Ano po yung nagagawa, let's say, nitong itlog for the hair?
Okay. Etong una is actually egg. This is egg has protein.
Proteins po.
So this can restore yung protein loss na nangyayari tuwing UV damage. It can make the hair strong. No? At
parang hindi siya
naiiwasan yung pagka-brittle. This one naman is olive oil.
Opo. Ano pong olive oil? Ano pong magagawa sa hair
Oo.
natin?
Yung olive oil actually has vitamin E which has moisturizing properties. So kung na-dry ang hair mo because of the UV rays, no, this can restore actually moisture, no, to your hair. Making
Mas lalambot.
Yes, and giving it shine, no?
Doc, hindi pwedeng corn oil or vegetable oil.
Pwede rin.
Pwede
Pwede
rin.
rin sesame oil,
Pwedeng sesame
vegetable
oil.
oil, pwedeng coconut oil,
Okay.
no? These are all natural and good. Ito namang mayonnaise, no? We have your mayonnaise. This has actually egg rin, di ba?
Yes.
And oil. So this one can also can bring good health to your hair, and also makakaganda rin siya. It will give shine and health.
Yes. Ang kagandahan dito, talagang makukuha lang siya sa bahay. Lahat ito available sa bahay natin. So, pwede natin itong i-apply any time of the day.
Napakamura, napaka-convenient, very affordable. Thank you so much, Doc. Any other material? I mean,
Yes,
ingredients?
actually we have here. Ito yung gugo na tinatawag, ano? Ang gugo has saponin. This is good to lather the hair. So this can be an alternative to shampoo, no? And di ba nabibleach ang hair natin because of the UV rays. This can actually make the hair darker again.
Ah, talaga?
Yes.
Hindi na kailangan ipaday ang buhok.
Hindi na. This is the
Wow.
natural way of
Paano?
dyeing your
Paano
hair.
po yung ginagawa yan?
Well, you actually...
Nakaganyan na.
Bagay, Drew. Bagay.
Ano ba, Doc?
Parang
Gusto ko
wig
yan.
Well, actually, lalagay mo to, dip mo into water, tapos ibabad mo. Tapos yung tubig na pinagbabaran, you can use that as shampoo.
So napakasimple lang pala ng procedure.
Oo.
Kayang-kayang gawin talaga.
So, kailangan lang talaga, you just have to treat your hair with that. Yun lang, ilalagay nyo lang. You just
Oo.
apply and that's it.
Apply
Gano'n po-
this on your hair.
Gano'n po katagal yung ideal time na dapat ilagay itong mga
Oo.
Okay,
ingredients?
you can put this on your hair, no? For, syempre, babasahin mo muna ang buhok mo. Then put this on your hair for about 15 to 30 minutes. You can, when you put it on your hair, lagyan mo siya ng shower cap or lagyan mo ng towel. And then afterwards, after 30 minutes, you can rinse it, preferably with tap water or
With-
cold water.
Tap water,
Tap
cold
water,
water.
cold
Why?
Why?
Bakit po?
Why not hot water? Kasi maluluto yung itlog.
That's a...
Karoon ka na scrambled eggs sa iyong buhok.
Alam mo, mangingislog tayo yan. Diba?
Gusto ko yun.
Good job, Doc. Thank you so much once again.
Ang dami natin natutunan this morning.
Dr. G. Marquez, of course, once again, sa aming pagbabalik dito sa Jed's Island Resort. Monica?
Yes, malalaman naman natin ang mga tips kung paano aalagaan ang ating mga swimwears and even ang ating mga summer accessories. So abangan nyo yan. Lahat yan ibibigay namin sa pagbabalik ng...
Unang, yeah!
Feels like it's sunny, yeah. Feels like it's sunny, yeah. Feels like it's